As you can see, guys and gals, lots of food. Lots of meat, but I can't able to eat meat for today. Oh my gosh. This is so tempting, and this is a trial for myself, but I'm not gonna eat meat. I'll just have the fishes and other non-meat. Oh gosh, I'm starting to crave. Wow, see that, guys? I can't invite you because this is a VIP invite only, just all by myself.
Thank you, thank you.
There's chicken, meat. Oh my gosh, there's a menudo, one of my favorite. Oh no! It's okay.